number 2 SIMbook. There was issues with my recording for the first class this morning, and I forgot to click share screen for the second class. So here we go. We're going to take lesson, and the first thing I do is hit let me try. To create a new table in design view, you're going to go create, table design. We're going to type product ID for the first field. Hit enter twice to accept the short text, and then type internal product ID with spaces. There we go. I made that a little bigger for y'all. Uh-oh. I may not have saved that though. So product ID. Enter. Okay. Go. Price is the next one. Make it currency instead of short date or short text. Okay, price. Enter, and we don't want a description. It's not liking something I'm doing. Instead of short text, we want to make it currency. Price. Currency. There we go. And we want to make product ID the primary key. So click on product ID and click on primary key right above it. Control S is in Sam and type products. Name the table products. Let me try. We want to put a new field between product and price. So we're going to right click on price and choose insert row, and it'll put a row above so we have a place to put the next field, and that would be product name, short text, and no description. Control S. Make sure you hit enter before you do Control S, because it'll be stuck in that field otherwise. We want to go to the locations table, click on the tab right over here on the right, right click on building and delete it. Say yes. Control S to get to the next step. We want to go to the customers table, which is the middle tab here. It's already open for us. And we want to move the phone type. So I want to click on phone, hold down the left button, and drag it up above phone type. Control S as in Sam gets us to the next step. We want to add a new table in design view. I think we've done that. So let's move on. I'm not sure what I did to make that happen, but we did the price. We want to open appointments table. Open the new form, new appointment form. Close the navigation pane, those two little arrows right to the right there. Move the tab to get to the new appointment table. Well, click the tab on appointments. And then we're going to close appointments table. Close it with this tab. And then we're going to close the new form with the tab, with the X. Open the navigation pane. That's these two arrows right over here on the left. Let me try. For the state, we want to make it 2 fields for the field size. So we want to go to table fields, change that 255 to a 2. Hit enter, say yes. And now let me try. We want to make app date. So click on app date and make it a short date. So go to table fields and go to the format over here where it says medium date and make it short date. Next. To get to design view, right now we're in data sheet view, and that's where you can enter records. We want to get to design view. So this ruler over here, right above the word view, if you just click on it, it toggles right to design. Now we want to make the app time field over here, go to data type, and go to we have to go below because now we're in design. So I'm going to make that a little smaller. We want to go down here to format and click the drop down. And we want to go to medium time. So notice when we're using the design, everything's below instead of on the ribbon. The field size for the state, we've done that. So let's move on. Did that. I did that. Okay, so we want to go to the phone type. Instead of short text, click on the drop down and find the lookup wizard. I have to make this a little smaller. Well, we'll make that one bigger. Go to short text, drop down, click on lookup wizard. I will type in the values, click on that. Go to next, and we're going to type 4 different types of phones. We're going to type home, tab to get to the next one, work, tab, mobile, tab, other. Go to next. Whoops, it didn't like that. So we want to type home, work, mobile, other. Now let's see what it tells us. Enter the following values. Yeah, we did that. Go to next. Okay, it worked. I must have misspelled something. So go to next again. And we want to limit. So we're going to click on limit to list and finish. And let me try. We're going to make an input mask for, I think, the phone number and the zip code. So click on phone number. It's already got us there. So we're on the phone number. Down here, you want to go to the input mask. Click those dots. Make sure it's on phone number. Go to next. And next again. We want to make sure that, go to next. We want to make sure this says without the symbols in the mask, like this. So that's good. Just finish and continue. Let me try. Open the relationships window. Go to tools. Double click on relationships. Click next. So they want to add a table. So we're going to have to click add tables. Next. And then it wants the services. So we're going to double click over here on the right from the add tables. Double click on services. Now, close this pane over here, the add tables. And close the relationships table right here in the middle. Close and say yes. Continue. Let me try. Open the relationships window again. Go to tools and relationships. We're going to do a relationship between location ID in the locations table and the location field in the services table. So we're going to take the location down here in the services table and drag it over to location ID. There we go. And then over here on this table that it brings up, we want to enforce referential integrity and create. Continue. Let me try. We want to do locations and services tables. The relationship should be the we want to update them as they go. So we want to go to back to database tools, relationships, and let's double click on this line in between and click on cascade update related fields. Click OK. And then over here on this line between services and appointments, double click on it and do cascade delete related fields or records. Okay. Let me try. Preview how the appointments by customer would look if you print it. So I'm going to click on appointments by customers. Go to file, print preview. Yay, there it is. And then here we want to do 2 pages. Oops, I'm sorry. We want to do landscape first. Landscape. Then 2 pages. Let me try. Oh, first close this print preview. Let me try. We want to go to tools, database tools. And way over here on the left, you'll see compact and repair database. Click on it. Yay, we are finished. Fabulous.